In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get mods in Minecraft Java Edition. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. I recommend using the CurseForge website to download mods, so go ahead and go to curseforge.com to find a lot of popular mods, or of course you can use any other website you want to get your mods. In here, whenever you click on a mod, it's going to give you details about the mod, and it might also tell you if you need to use something like Fabric or Forge. Not all mods require Forge and or Fabric, but if needed, make sure to install these as well. All you have to do is go to minecraftforge.net or fabricmc.net and download the installer for both of them. Run Minecraft at least once after download these installers and download the mod that you want to use from CurseForge or any other website. In this example, this mod I downloaded is not going to need Forge or Fabric, but like I said, if you need Forge or Fabric, just set it up before following through. After you make sure that Minecraft is properly set up, press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to bring up the Run menu. If you cannot press the Windows key, just open up the Windows Start menu and look for Run. In here, type %appdata% and press OK. You will be redirected to this page, and as long as you've ran Minecraft once, you just have to go into the first folder, .minecraft. In here, create a new folder named mods if you don't already have one, and all you have to do now is drop the jar mod in the mods folder. You can then open up Minecraft Java Edition and start messing with your mods. I hope I was able to help you on how to get mods in Minecraft Java Edition. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.